If you clicked on this video, you're probably tired of hearing everyone and their parents talk about their many streams of income like it's the most easiest thing in the world. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a step-by-step guide on how you can start multiple streams of income that you can actually do. If you've never seen me before, my name is Chi. Welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to consider is why you need an extra source of income. This will help you structure the things you venture into. It will help you decide whether you want a passive income or a non-passive income, or whether you want something large scale or something small scale. Because of how personal your reasons might be, it's going to be a motivation for you to create and sustain your source of income. The next thing to consider is what skills and interests you have. This is something you already have that might be beneficial to people. It could be a course of study or just something that fascinates you. I know it's not everybody that is super talented or super skillful. That is where interest comes in. You can figure out something that you're interested in that has potential of making you money and work on it. It may require you to do a lot of research and even paying for a course to learn properly. Don't underestimate the power of knowing how to do something and having certain interest in things. The next thing is to figure out which of your hobbies you are willing to monetize. Hobbies can be skills and interests, but not all skills and interests are hobbies. So I know some people will say you should find something that you love and figure out a way to make money from it and you never work a day in your life. That might be true for some people, but it's quite incorrect for me, because with work there would always be frustration, and because you have turned your hobby into work, the frustration might ruin it for you. So at the end of the day, it might not be a hobby for you. I know, yes, you should figure out a way to love the things that you do, but that wouldn't remove the frustration of doing it as work. So that's why I use the word sacrifice, because it is very possible that you're going to ruin that particular hobby because you have monetized it and you're doing it as work. Work is not just the execution, work is also the result, and results can be good or bad. Bad results will frustrate you, and that frustration can totally ruin a hobby for you. So again, figure out which of your hobbies you're willing to sacrifice by monetizing it and doing it as work. So now that you have figured out which of your skills, hobbies, or interests that you want to monetize, the next thing is to research and educate yourself properly. So by researching and educating yourself, you're properly equipping yourself to be one of the best in the market. So research and education is a continuous thing because things are always changing, and your approach and mindset needs to change as well so you don't become irrelevant. So the next step is to make most of your income streams flexible and scalable. Flexible in terms of time. You don't want a business to fail because you're not giving it enough time to grow. So create income streams that don't require that you spend a lot of time on them to make money. In terms of making it scalable, you want to be able to expand into different things in the long run, thereby increasing the income that you make from it. This is a good way to increase your income without creating a whole different source of income. Now that you have successfully created different streams of income and organized your time management, it is time to market yourself. It is one thing to have a solid business plan and start a business, and it's another thing for people to know that you exist. I mean, if people don't know you, nobody is going to patronize you. Personally, I think a big percentage of your capital or resources should go into marketing, because that's the way people are going to find out who you are. One of the big ways to market these days is on social media, either by running ads yourself or paying influencers to market your products for you. There are so many ways to market on social media, so you just have to do your research and decide which one you want to go for. The last but not the least is to make time for your business. Good things don't come easy, and if you want to get good results, you have to put in the work. It's not going to be easy or boom immediately. Well, it might be for some people. Some people start a business and then it booms. Yours might not work that way. Yours might take time, and it's okay. It might get frustrating, but it's going to be better with time, depending on the efforts you put into it. So always stay on top of your game, find new ways to make things work, and give it your time. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope it was really helpful, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.